I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through installing luxury vinyl plank in one room. Not the whole job, but the teaser version, enough that you can decide whether this is a weekend project for you or whether you're going to hire it out. Here's the scene. You've got worn carpet, dated sheet vinyl, or a tile floor past its prime. LVP is the most DIY-friendly flooring on the market right now. Click-lock planks, no nails, no glue, $2 to $4 a square foot. But every LVP job that fails for the same reason. The subfloor wasn't flat. This job is 90% prep and layout. Before you start, confirm the scope. Lay a 6-foot straight edge across your subfloor diagonally. Any gap under it more than a 1/4 inch over 10 feet, you have to fix before a single plank goes down. Low spots get self-leveling compound, $30 a bag, and 24 hours to cure. High spots on plywood get sanded. High spots on concrete get ground down. Vacuum everything, and let the LVP boxes acclimate in the room for 48 hours before you start cutting. Now here's what the job actually looks like. You set 1/4 inch spacers against the wall for your expansion gap. First row goes groove side against the wall. You undercut every door jamb with an oscillating multi-tool, using a plank as your depth guide, so the LVP slides underneath instead of getting cut around. You angle each plank's long edge into the row above, then rotate it down to seat. The tapping block and rubber mallet finish the short end joint. If you see any gap at the seam, the click did not fully engage. Tap it again. You stagger your end seams by at least 6 to 8 inches row to row because stacked seams look wrong and are structurally weaker. The last row is almost always a rip. You measure, you score with a sharp utility knife along a straight edge, you snap the plank, and you pull it into place with a pull bar. Baseboard goes back on over the expansion gap, nailed to the wall, never through the LVP. The mistakes that double this job: skipping the straight edge check and laying planks over a wavy subfloor, not acclimating the material, stacking seams instead of staggering, standing on a plank before it's clicked fully down, nailing the baseboard through the LVP, which locks the floating floor and causes buckling. And one more thing. If your subfloor has active moisture or the old flooring came up wet, stop. LVP is waterproof, but the subfloor under it is not. Put down waterproof flooring on a wet substrate and you are going to grow mold. Find the leak, dry the subfloor, and confirm it's dry before anything goes on top. For the full prep checklist, the layout plan, the jamb undercut sequence, and the last row rip procedure, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.